Awesome. Oh!
Mum,
You cooked
come
well.
outside. We come out have dinner.
What a ride in. It's a bit windy this morning, but it will settle down. It's a Monday, I've got the day off again, and I'm going to go for something different. Not really, it's a KG's and the squid. Let me get set up and let's try and hook up pretty soon because this wind is a bit iffy. Okay. Okie dokie. Start off with the yellow lime. It did very well last time I went squidding. So there's no reason why I shouldn't use it. The wind has actually died down a bit. I should put the sea anchor out there. I think I want a bit blown out to sea, which is good. And I've got my loyal injured whiting. It's a clear bodied jig. Okay, could be yeah. First fish of the day. Woo! Love it. I was going for the squid, but I just was going over a nice broken bottom sandbar. I am on drift. King George whiting. Lovely. Good way to start the morning. Great. Right, so we're on a nice squid. In our time. He's not too bad, but I had one before and he just took the line. I didn't hook him up, but this will be a consolation. There we go. Alright, he'll do. He'll do. Slow going today, I tell you what. I reckon it'll pick up. Yeah, beauty. Woo! Right, so we have to move again. That's the name of the game. Try and find a better spot. Hopefully this wind does die down a bit later on. Gotta watch out for any surface weed. Hallelujah. So hard to locate them today. And what I did, I man on the anchor, I cast out very far and just slowly brought it in. So maybe they're over there, who knows. Right. Woo. So I had to move and it paid off straight away. Beauty. Oh yeah, see that? That's a kg if it stays on. Good size. Yes. Awesome. These kind of fishing trips are the best, and I got hooked up on a squid. Holy shit. Calm the hell down, Dom. Calm the farm. Hectic. Woohoo! That's right. Oh, it's on. Beauty. Beauty. Oh. Oh, that hurt. Oh, that hurt. Oh, okay, a herring and blowfish. Time between drinks. Got another squid. Oh, something's following it. Huh. I thought was going for the squid. Let's see if I can get it. Whoa! Woo! Yeah, baby. That's more like it. Been a bit too quiet today. That there has livened it up. Oh. So now I've got double hookup. Oh, this is crazy. So I'll put this one down here. Actually, that one there is the smaller one. Nah, stuff it. The risk you take. No net, so let's what day? 30. One, good size. Grab the net. Alrighty. Alrighty. That's the way I like it. Okay. Got a good one here. Try and get an underwater shot. It's not even okay now. He knows his hook. It's good. Alright. There we go. We'll follow this one here. Lovely. Double hook up again. Now they are big out here. Oh, this one doesn't need the net. Righto. Careful. Awesome. He's not that big, but still, he's well hooked. What I might do in case there's any followers, again. Oh. There you go, from doom to gloom. No, from doom to glory. About plenty of time. It's not a bad one. It's on the leg. Yeah, alright. No, it's been a lovely. Oh. That's a beauty. There you go. Yeah, just about to pack up. That's great. Whoa. Get on. Okay. This is a big one. Ooh, this is a thumbs. Oh, and there's one following him too. Right over there. There he is. See him in the water? See him in the water? Oh, there we go. He went for this one. He went for the other one. He was smart, but not smarter than me. How about that, eh? Woo! Beautiful! Beautiful. Oh. Big one. Oh, nice. Right on the back of the head. Righto. Lovely. Howler. Really, really nice. Right. So this is going to be the last one, I reckon. And there's a horse of a squid. Oh, it's actually not that much of a horse, but he's still good. Good one. Lovely. Howler. Lovely. Right, so I got the engine going, because we are going to go. You've got to be careful. There we go. Woo! Oh! Oh! He almost got me. Maybe. Oh! It's alright. Anyway, so if the squid resembles anything you see on my shirt, in HD, 5 times fishing adventures. It's a prototype. I think it's just about there, but I'll get it done. All right, people. Better get it going. I might get it home, cook it up. Right, so to top off the day, I ended up going crabbing that same night. I've just got the one blue mounted crab straight from the Swan River, and gonna use some squid, a bit of prawns, and make up a real quick marinara. So let's see how we do it. What I usually do is open it up, split it open with the gills. Alright, and just rinse off all this gunk in a bit of water. There you go, clean crab, ready for the tomato sauce. Clean little squid, and I left the flaps on, and basically I'm just going to cut them into the rings. Put in some oil, some half onion and a garlic. Saute a bit. Alrighty, looking good. So what I'm going to do now is just chuck in the all the squid and the prawns and whatever it is, let it saute a bit. Salt. Okay, so that's all about 3 minutes. I'm just going to put this aside and start making the sauce. So put that over here, oil, throw in our tin tomatoes, tomatoes, wash it all up, and a bit of water. Just going to grab some fresh herbs, a bit of parsley, and some basil, heaps. And throw some of these spices in there. It's cooking away there. Now we're chucking our seafood that we just lightly braised. Oh, that's a big one, that one. Hang on. Hang on. And we're going to chuck in the crab.
Where's the crab?
Easy as. It's going to be cooked up in the big sauce. That looks great. A bit more salt. Look at that simmering away. Absolutely superb. What I'm going to do is going to get a little piece of the squid and just try it out. So that's a big piece. Yeah, good. Right, so we take this off and we put it in a big pot of hot water. I've already put in heaps of salt, and we're going to be putting in this stuff here, spagehettini. So it's like a linguine, a bit thinner. My favourite. There we go. Oh. Bit of wine on a frozen glass. Oops. And we've got firmness to it. Spot on. You bite into it, it's not clunky. Yep, that's perfect. Al dente. Okay. I'll put the sauce back on, let it warm up a bit. And the spaghetti, I'll just put a bit in here, I suppose. There we go. Oh, look at that. Amazing. There we go. Alright, so check this out. I've let it soak for a bit so the sauce can get infused with the spaghetti. You can see the calamari. That's it right there, nice and tender. You got the crab in here as well. Really giving a nice flavour. Got the basil and the parsley and the garlic. And so I've just got a very small serving. And I'll first try the calamari, because I said that the calamari is the star of the show. It is just Absolutely delightful if you cook it right. It's just soft, tender, full of that calamari flavour, which I just love. And then after it goes into the spaghetti, it's a double whammy. Bloody beauty. Anyway, excuse the thongs. I better get out of here. I've ran out of vino. If you like my show and you want to keep up to date, and you like me making you jealous of having your dinner while I'm having this, hit the subscribe button. And I just want to say thanks very much for my existing subscribers. You've been a great support. The channel is growing slowly, and I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Anyway, we'll see you next time. Take it easy. You beaut. Beautiful.
Tucker, fish, tucker, fish.
Alright,
Tucker,
sorry Mum.
Mum,
You cook well.
outside.
Fish,
We come
tucker,
to have dinner.
fish, tucker.
Here we go.